Hello, first graders. It is Thursday, and today we're going to do something a little bit different for Foundations. Today's going to be a sentence day. So do you remember how in school Mrs. Sirigliano would dictate a sentence to you and you would write it down on a piece of paper? And you would remember Mrs. C would say the sentence, you would echo the sentence. Echo means to just repeat the sentence. Remember, we would count out how many words were in our sentence, even sometimes touch the paper so that we know how we would write it on our paper. Well, that's what we're going to work on today. I have two sentences that I'm going to model how you're going to do it. All you need is a lined piece of paper. If you want to take out your Foundations journal that I sent home, you can open up to a clean page and you can write on those lines. Or if you want to use your poetry paper, that's the writing paper that I sent, that's fine too. I would like for you to use a paper that has lines because I want you to try to remember writing neatly. That's really important. We have to go back and practice that. Also, please remember to number your sentences. Start each sentence with a capital letter and end it with a special mark. And don't forget to call out the cops when you're all done. Okay? So I'm going to model two sentences for you, how I would like for you to do it on your lined paper. And then I'm going to call out the cops to make sure that I did it correctly. Okay? All right, here we go. So I'm going to zoom in closer. And remember, these are the words for this week: own, little, and bin. And I put them up here just in case they appear in the sentences I give you. Okay? So remember, when you write your sentence, you start with line number one. Don't write number two because sometimes we need more space and we don't want to have to erase the number two. Okay? So just remember, start with number one, write your sentence, and then write number two on the next line. So the first sentence is, I have been to the dentist. I have been to the dentist. I have been to the dentist. 6 words in that sentence. I have been to the dentist. So you see how if I wrote number 2, I would have had to erase it because it's a lot of words in the sentence. Here we go. My brain is remembering it. I, when I stands alone, it's always capital, have been to the dentist. Dentist. And a period. Number 2. Bob got a sunfish last month. Bob got a sunfish last month. Again, 6 words. Bob got a sunfish last month. Bob, start each sentence with a capital letter, got a sunfish last month. Bob got a sunfish last month. Okay, the last thing I do is call out the cops. C-O-P-S. Cops. Capitals. Order of words, punctuations, spelling. Capital letters. Did I start both sentences with a capital letter? Yes, I did. I'm going to give myself 2 stars. Order of my words. Did I remember every word in the sentence? Each sentence had 5 words, so let's check. I have been to the dentist. I have been to the dentist. Good, I did it. Bob got a sunfish last month. Periods. Doop. doop, or punctuations, 2 stars. Spelling. Did I spell my trick words correctly? I did. Did I do dentist correctly? I did. How about sunfish? Sunfish. How about month? I did. Give myself 2 stars. I called out the cops. I checked my work. It's legible. It's neat. I have every word in the sentence. I ended with a punctuation. I started with my capital. I did. Awesome. Now, so will you. Here are your 3 sentences for today. Are you ready? Here we go. You remember you can hit pause so that you can write each sentence down on your paper. Number 1. A little reptile is in the bathtub. A little reptile is in the bathtub. 7 words for number 1. I'm going to read it one more time. You can echo it. A little reptile is in the bathtub. Okay, do your very best with that one. Number 2. Did you invent this cupcake? Huh? Did you invent this cupcake? Huh? Remember when Mrs. C goes, huh? I'm asking a question. Did you invent this cupcake? Did you invent this cupcake? 5 words. Last sentence. That is just a little mistake. That is just a little mistake. 6 words. That is just a little mistake. And those are your sentences for today. Do your very best. Remember to call out the cops. Start your sentence with a capital letter. Don't forget your punctuation. Nice, neat words on lines. You can do it. Have fun writing your sentences, boys and girls. See you soon. Bye-bye.